Kakadosh Boker Tov, Yeshut Rav Mansur Shlita. If you remember, we just wanted to answer up the questions that we asked last time. First of all, if you remember, we mentioned that if a person says Mekadesh Yisrael ve'azemanim instead of Mekadesh Yisrael Yom HaZikaron, he's not going to be Yotzei Chovah because we have to mention the fact that it's going to be Rosh Hashana, which is Yom HaZikaron. Then we mentioned that during Musaf, we're going to mention three different concepts: Malchuyot, Zichronot, and Shofarot. Malchuyot is the concept of that we are being Mamlich HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and therefore a lot of people, they don't even pay attention to what it is Alenu L'Shabeach. Alenu L'Shabeach that we say 3 times a day is so powerful that they instituted it in one of the most powerful tefillot of Rosh Hashana and Kippur, the Musaf, which is going to be Malchuyot. That is the Malchuyot, and therefore you're going to have the two edim, the two witnesses, whether it's Alenu and Od and Alken, and then Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Yisrael Hashem Echad, that again the two witnesses that we are making HaKadosh Baruch Hu the king. Remember, Rav Zavichi actually told us that when you say the En Od, that is the time of the special segula of Rav Chaim Volozhin of Eno Milevado, this entire concept of having that you could ask for whatever that you want, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu will always give it to you because you're coming. So this is the Malchuyot. Why do we do Malchuyot? To be Mamlich HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Zichronot, in order that I should remember you. Uvamase, Uvameh, how am I going to remember you? Says the Gemara, through the shofar. We're going to mention 10 Pesukim. Why are we mentioning exactly 10 Pesukim? There's actually a few different reasons brought down in the Gemara. The Gemara says, Keneged Aseret Dibrot, the 10 Commandments, Asara Ma'amarot Nivro Olam, the 10 utterances that HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the world, Asara Hilulim Avalelul Bekotsho, the Perek of Tehillim that we actually say also in Musaf of Rosh Hashana, and also on the night of Rosh Hashana. This is not the Mizmor of the Chag, as the Rav said yesterday. Mizmor of the Chag is the other one, but this is the one which is at the end of Arvit. We're going to say Aluluya Alulul Bekotsho. This one actually has 10 Ilulim, but there's 5 Psukim and each one is times 2. So therefore you're going to have the 10 Ilulim. There's other reasons as well that there's going to be 10 sounds. Tashrat, Tashat, Tarat is 10 sounds, and also the last reason is there's Esther Sefirot, that there's going to be 10 spheres of HaKadosh Baruch Hu in the upper worlds. That's what they spoke about last night about the Malchut. Now we're going to mention 10 different Pesukim for each of these. So the Malchuyot, Zichronot, Shofarot. That's why on Rosh Hashanah Musaf you have 9 blessings. Usually every single Amidah we have 18, then it became 19. Right? On Shabbat and Yom Tov it's always going to be 7. And comes on Musaf of Rosh Hashanah, you're going to have 9 because you're adding in for the Malchuyot, Zichronot, and Shofarot. So now what happens is as follows. We're going to have 10 Pesukim. 3 from the Torah, 3 from Nevi'im, 3 from Ketuvim. How do we split it up? So if you remember yesterday that we answered is that you're first going to do the Torah, because the Torah is the most important. Then you're going to do Uvtoratecha, right? Divrei Kodshecha katuv lemor. What is Divrei Kodshecha? Tehillim, which is coming from Ketuvim. And then it goes to the Nevi'im. And you always finish with the Torah. Right? Why? Again, you're finishing. You have 3, 3, 3, and then 1, which is the Torah. Why do we do that in that fashion? One of the answers that we answered was Malim Bakodesh. What does that mean? The most important is the Torah. After the Torah, you're going to do the Tehillim. But now you have to go up. So you go from the Tehillim to the Nevi'im, Ketuvim to the Nevi'im, and then you're going back up to the Torah. So you're doing Ma'alim Bakodesh. Another one is that since David HaMelech was one that instituted the Tehillim, and it's the Ruach HaKodesh that is speaking, it's so important, what we're always praying for is that Mashiach ben David should come, so therefore Tehillim takes precedence than what the Nevi'im just came and they wanted to tell us over. And therefore that's why we're going to do specifically in this order of 3 of the Torah, 3 of the Ketuvim, 3 of the Nevi'im, and then we're going to do the last one, which is going to be of the Torah. That is the way that we're going to break up the entire Amidah of, obviously, the Rosh Hashanah. That was part of the shiur of how to explain and understand what we're going to be praying, Be'ezrat Hashem, on Rosh Hashanah, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu should always accept our tefillot. Amen.